Okay, maybe we just enter the second issue now. We get to do with the law of courtesan. We say the governor of Edo State don also put another year. So go back to that law of courtesan for Edo State.
The law of courtesan, the law has been against courtesan in Edo State. It's like the governor decided, and the Edo State House of Assembly decided to strengthen it.
Okay.
Okay. The new law talks about.
You go speak pidgin now. You know say you be lawyer.
The new law talks say if court activity happen and person die, those who are responsible will also face debts. Then, as when courtesan, a courteous person, they stay, if they can't catch am, that house government will take it over and demolish it. That is the small place when I can't get small fear. Because if they don't arrange am well, they will use it to victimize people. If a courtesan can't rent house, a courtesan when they work, he get legitimate job. Because as a landlord, you want the person house, which job will they do? You say, okay, fine, I'm a bus driver, for example.
Or I dey work for bank.
Or I dey work for bank. Or I be teacher, or I be lecturer. You will say you don't give a house.
Oh yeah.
Wetin you show you is legit, you go give a house. If later government go catch and say you do courtesan, where they live, they say they want to demolish. They can't demolish person house. So that law, they need to look into it very well. To say if this court is dey rent, such house should not be demolished. It must be clear, because when I read down, they just say house where they stay. No, the house where they say could be old, could not, maybe not be old, maybe a brother who is not the courtesan, who live in abroad. So this thing, they should define it clearly. The Igbo people say where there will be no ambiguity, everything will be clear. Say okay, now so it talk, who get the house, bring the paper of the house, no say the name when they there. Okay, now I get out. Pull it down, no problem. But when you can say, would they pull house down? No, they should look into it. I'm not against pulling house down.
Apart from that pulling house down, could you that aspect of the law or the
when
law,
they say
like good? What you see?
Edo can become hot place. Some people will call me. I say, "I dey waka go so and so place. What are you doing outside?" Huh? Fear. There are people who don't want to. They don't want to come and do it again because of the killings that is taking place. And these things need to stop. Whatever that can stop it is supported. And this law is a part of it that says, courtesan is not at law. Don't do courtesan. If you did there before, go come out. And that law, when can say, when I speak my mind, demolish where they live and I get the house. If you keep person who die okay by sword, should die by the sword. I think that is even the innovation. That is waiting they knew about the law about courtesan. Because I check and that one the waiting new inside. And it is a good thing in the right direction.
Okay, Dr. Jude.
Yes, I do it now.
The new law where the governor come pass about, you na person wey say you deal with students, you feel say you go get any impact on against courtesan, you get any impact on court activities for Edo?
And thank you very much. I join others to commend the governor for the bold step. But going forward now, for the purpose of those where they listen to us,
yeah.
You know, courtesan now from court, C-U-L-T, they for extract them out. And if you check dictionary now, you know, they just say court is a relatively small group of individuals who will come together because they have one kind of special belief, practice regarding how they go to relate with others. So some of them can be positive or negative. So if you go to some churches, they will say so on a cult group within a church. For example, in the US, people in Nigeria, I don't mention some churches like they get them at a gathering of some individuals where would they take one or two on behalf of the church on behalf of the group. I don't want to mention any names, but however now, the way where this cult matter, the trend that is now taking now, companies say now, where this cult group now, they're not more or less this group of small individuals where they get their own ideology, what they believe in, how the life should look like. Because they do them otherwise. Look, they are not talking about, but now they are not going to what you might call gangsterism and criminality. They are no longer called group now to improve on how King go take group. But now, these so-called groups have now gone into criminalism. Criminal activity to the kill people. You carry my girlfriend, I'll come, I will kill you. You kill my brother before, this time man, I'll come kill you. So within the university system now, when tertiary institutions now, this is the trend. I make I tell you now, based on the work where they do, I work with as low as primary schools. This negative tendency of criminality now, you don't even do for primary schools and secondary schools. Then they say we see some boys now in secondary school, especially the way we don't work. They go say one fall this person. This guy won't gather, won't beat up. This guy won't rip up. So that now don't trend so badly because it is being celebrated. During the election time now, it goes all these boys now, but they could just say that I belong to this group, I belong to that one, and they will carry pop action, they work out with our politicians. They do anyhow. People go they envy them and say that guy now bad guy, you are going to go follow them now. But within the university system now, teacher institution now, they know they encourage those kind of activities. It's not there, but in a sinister manner, that is they code themselves. They operate. They are there. But this law coming on board now is good, but I have major reservations about this particular law.
What is the reservation?
The letter we say now, which parameter you could take judge somebody who is a cultist? Now because he go kill somebody, or now because he fight, or now because they involved in the normal practice, or he come here, you see call for them, or how you could take judge out. And these are lawyers now who go handle these cases now when come on board now. Have they been trained? Have we built their capacity so that they go know how best to attend to this matter where it involves issue of cultism? And they can let us note this one now. If care is not taken, there will be cases of unnecessary victimization. If, for example, now they do one kind, get your body be maybe overtalk now, before you know you are labeled. The police and what have you know, they know the so-called satanic cultists in the community. What has happened to them? That's why now they find it very difficult to attend to such cases where or this of cultism. But the law says 14 years or where cultists they say they'll come go burn the house, demolish the house, but excuse me, that's not sufficient enough. For me, I strongly believe that there is proper profiling. If you belong to any kind of group or whatever, X, Y, Z, what have you now, government can even say, no, come and register. Make we know you. Make we know your mandate. What you want to do now, you say be called A, called B, called C. What you now they do. So that when anything is said, you can know who and who to ask. But this time around, there's no proper profiling. You say you don't ban and record. Because social media, so many things are happening now that even the students nowadays for school now, on that project, they go to see what they have, I see this group, they go fight, and they go do this one. All of the type of calls you can't get now, they're more or less criminal groups. I will not call them call that have positive intention, now to destroy and fight. But I am very shameful that some of them now, their own to do negative advice. That's why I call them criminals.
Okay, doctor.
To promote their use on society.
Okay. All right, doctor, what will we discuss today? Of course, the legality of IG, Kayode Gbetoku, and also the Edo State District Court Prohibition law, when we say another criminal activities, when we say the government of Edo State just repeal now. Okay, person didn't like, make we take this call first. Hello, good evening. Your name or where they call us from this evening?
Dr. Tony, Engineer Tony, I talk from Benin here.
Go ahead, doctor.
Okay, me I call. So I be the thing now, but maybe talk better. We'll be talking about the origin of.
No. Go ahead, Dr. Jude. Hold on, Dr. Jude. Hold on. We have a caller online. Go ahead, sir. No. We don't have a stop. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, may I go ahead?
Yes.
Okay, this one where they talk, say they go to the police person house. Now your guest for studio too.
Yeah.
If you like say don't understand that like that. Not be say government say if they arrest me for one man house, say I be tenant for that house because I be got this. The government will just carry bulldozer and not destroy the house. Not be like that view.
Okay.
So he got it be.
How it be?
That said, the landlord intentionally give me space for a house, whether house or hotel or bar.
Okay.
They gather for there, they say, this kind court, or this kind court. So from there now, we organize ourselves. Maybe we want to go to heat, we'll go attack some of our another right back group.
Okay.
So police come do arrest. They come confess. Say that day when we go kill so person, now from that house, the landlord did know, or the manager of that hotel know. Now so it be, not to say they just arrest one Mr. B. They say they stay number 5, the magistrate. Say now the landlord give a house, they just go to lay that house. Not to say they be my brother.
Okay.
All of us know this be me as it be. Let me say those things.
Yes.
Issue of courtesy. He don't eat us well, we don't sleep with 2 eyes closed. This, there is, when they say law, that's what they call deterrence. This law where the government gives now. Even if they ask more children for street, then I hear what the governor talks, they say they will destroy people who have, say,
Yes.
in the house, everybody don't give. That's deterrence. So don't be say people come to understand that say no how they come destroy your house. Even government say something like this will happen. You will be landlord, just come your house. Say what come carry house, I be bus driver. You go give a form fill.
Yes.
You go give a form fill. Fill this form, do it like this, do it like this. Your occupation, now like this it be. But you go put clause, say no time like this, if something like this go happen, don't be my head though, you go sign, you go sign. You get copy, you get copy for her. It finished. So now so I'm just for people.
Okay, Dr. Tini, thank you very much. Me, I would like you to come to this program next week.
I'll find time to come.
No, let me invite you now because don't think when we say you contribute for inside this program. So don't reach the time when you go come studio, you may you can also talk.
All right, so now do well. One of the help us criticize our people.
Okay.
Both the young and the old.
Okay. So what will be your advice to the young people now, particularly the way forward for this courtesy for secondary schools and even to parents, because you speak as somebody will say you don't also get experience well.
The advice is not too hard. Is number one, most time for our parents, time for our elderly, our brothers, our senior brothers and sisters.
Yes.
If they discipline us well, they take us those days when we dey small, and they tell us they bring one book for church. My elder brother brings book. He say you see this fire now, fire now they teach me. They show me. See if you thief, now like this for the bomb or fire. So that thing it also sit inside me say, if I do bad, my life won't end in hellfire. So those are some of the things where we go to pray come to our home, our churches and primary school, nursery school. So you they inculcate fear about certain things for children body. So that when they grow up, you can't be say that kind of thing to do wrong, see when things go be the repercussion. So they take them about prison, they teach them about how this thing be. So they will not fear. Simple as this, they're not too hard.
Okay. All right, thank you, Dr. Tini, for joining us. I would like you to be on the program next week as I talk. Maybe we'll talk issue of Nigerians and I do stuff. So, all right, Aredo, yes, you hear what my brother talks since.
Yeah,
Which other aspect of the law you want me the public to know?
The truth of the matter is, number one, that courtesy is a bad way, and anything that will stop what courtesy has been doing in those states.
Okay, now what did the governor do now? Now, if he say now, you feel say he go feel stop him, he go feel do anything for inside.
That is the place I actually want to go.
Go there.
Because the law went the ground before. If to say the law was implemented, courtesy would have been reduced. The problem with us as a people, as Nigeria, as Edo people, we don't implement laws. That is just the problem. When it now happen, I'll give you an example. When
you say we, who be the we? If police catch person for court saying a court person, not be the law go take a.
Thank you.
We play a role or kind of goes.
I come across one policeman that resigned from police work. They come tell me something about how they catch person when do bad well. They come beg them. They said no. They come carry them go office. When they reach office, they come command the case from their hand. and they come give the case to another policeman, and those people were released.
That a corruption now.
I am coming.
That a corruption.
Yes.
You feel say them call down now. With the law not gonna work.
The law they work, but the law is not implemented.
How? Why you say we? Who be the people who go implement the law?
Fine. Police are there to implement the law. Mm-hmm. They say
so all the police don't implement law.
Wait till they come. Section 4 of the Police Act say police stop crime. If no fit stop crime, investigate the crime and persecute criminals. But when you can't read there, then so they say make we do am right. Some will say they will collect money from the back and let the bad boys go. Tomorrow they will come mark you now. You want do over sabi. If this law is fully implemented, courtesan is gone forever. In Edo. Okay. But the problem we dey implement it.
Okay. So now we will look for who implement. Dr. Jude, in 2 minutes, just summarize.
Yes, I did.
This new law where the governor passed. Now in 2 minutes because time not there again. Go ahead.
No, on the law, I don't understand. You say.
I said in 2 minutes, just summarize the benefit of this new law. When we say the governor just bring down.
No, the law go help in mitigating all those kind of court issues in the country, in the state. Whatever, I will also say the kind of enlightenment. Maybe we'll go back to 1950s where you say the Fed called group then, so they don't say they are no longer court members. The fundamental reason why they came together, it was to fight the ills of the society. And it's on record around 1950 or 1954. So when Queen Elizabeth, and one of the queen that time of England, come Nigeria, now they escort the queen for England, for University of Ibadan, then University College Ibadan, then because these were young men now with revolution and others, men who were studying academics and very symbolic. But now, the kind of budget they get now, so they don't even go school, so now just to fight. So for me, I go so happy to come and tell of this law. Anybody where want join, come and register. Come tell us what you know they do. So when anything said for anywhere, you go know to who to go. If some record in this, I just to that time, they get what they call Rainbow Coalition, everything. Now most of all these so-called groups that government call them together and say, come on, we don't hear on our story for this town. Make everybody hold his side. Make everybody be very, very careful. Anything will happen. Who be the head of this group? Who be the head of this group? Now we go home. Until the profiling of all the various groups, whether registered or not, that is the only way this law will work. Or else, even those where they implement the law, some of them are also members of this satanic criminal groups where they call themselves culture. Because now, school fees go up, they no go quarrel. Fuel go up, culture no go come out with the fight government. Kidnapper, they kill our people for farm. Culture no go say go fight them. Now, boyfriend and girlfriend, you carry my money, you do runs, now they fight for. It's very sad and very sad and it's shameful. If you go to the fundamental reasons where basic young people come together, then in the future in the college Ibadan, why they come together to have a better society. I pray the law works for our people and for our state. And I commend the governor too for this bold initiative, but let him put action to the statement and to the law.
I salute the time we take journal from Ekuma this evening, Dr. Jude.
Well, thank you very much. I greet everybody. Good morning, good evening, Edo people.
All right.
And all everybody where they hear us.
Okay, Victor. On the final note.
On the final note, I want the government to sensitize the state. Make the people.
Try to speak with you.
Okay. Make the state, the people see the reason why courtesan is bad.
When you say sensitize, what do you want me to do?
Come to air. Talk about courtesan. It's not good. The day you join courtesan, that the day you throw away your life. Because the person can be, anything can happen to the person. So this thing should be emphasized by the government. Show people, tell people what is going to happen. And also emphasize the new law, what we are going to do if we find you to be a courtesan. So say, I don't know, I don't know. Because I don't know, Lord, no, I don't know.
All right, member for us, we salute everybody who say join us this evening for inside the program. And I will believe say when I don't hear one or two things concerning what we talk for here, we'll deal with it again on Monday next week, God willing. Until then, my name is Mark Ololo. God bless Nigeria. Good night.